Let's begin by making the easiest and most basic recipe. In a small mixing bowl, add in half a cup of rolled oats, also known as old-fashioned oats, followed by half a cup of milk. You may use the milk of your choice, a quarter of a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Now mix to incorporate. Once evenly incorporated, cover and transfer to the fridge overnight. Now, let's say that you want to make it ahead for the next 3 days, or even make it for your family members. Then multiply all the ingredients by how many days you are having it. You may keep it in the fridge up to 5 days. What I love about this recipe is that it takes only 5 minutes to make and it will keep you full for most of the day. Since this is for 3 people, we are doing half a cup 3 times. Ensure to use rolled oats in this recipe rather than quick oats. Quick oats get too mushy. This healthy breakfast choice is packed with all the nutrition that your body needs to start the day. Add in 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. The chia seeds will give it a pudding-like consistency. 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. You could use honey if you prefer honey, but maple syrup is fine. A quarter of a cup of Greek yogurt 3 times for 3 people. Makes sense, right? The Greek yogurt helps break down the starches, plus makes it extra creamy. And the last ingredient, 1.5 cups of milk. Once again, you may use the milk of your choice. We do not recommend using water for this recipe. Then mix to incorporate. Once evenly incorporated, transfer to the fridge overnight. Hint hint, overnight oats. And the next day, all you have to do is serve and add some toppings. And what I love about this recipe is that you can change the overall flavor by changing the fruits or nuts. You may use the fruits or nuts of your choice, whatever is on sale or in season work best. You may also pack it to go and eat it at school or work. Yo, check this out. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, quick and easy overnight oats. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.